Hello friends, welcome to my Mother Made channel. Friends, this is part 2 video of detergent cake. As I was not able to complete the process of detergent cake in part 1 video, so I am making this part 2 video. In order to understand properly, you have to watch part 1 video and then part 2 video. Okay friends, let's start. Friends, now I will show you the working of machines. There are two types of machines available in the market: semi-automatic machines and fully automatic machines. I will show you the working of both the machines. First, I am showing you the working of semi-automatic machine. Friends, many types of machines are available in the market, size wise and cost wise. Some are cheap and some are costly, so you can purchase according to your requirements. Now after 24 hours, it looks like this. See, the bar comes out easily. Friends, now I will show how it works. So I'm taking this handkerchief and washing with this soap. See the foam. Friends, try this detergent cake and give me your feedback in the comment box. I will wait for your feedback. Friends, this is a very profitable business. The production cost is very low and the selling price in the market is very high. So this business is very good for you. You can start your business with a very small unit and slowly you can increase your production. Friends, if you are new to my channel and you liked my video, please share my video with all your friends and relatives and subscribe my channel. You'll see subscribe written in red color. Press the subscribe button. After pressing subscribe button, you'll see a bell icon. Please press that button also. Then you will see three options. Please press the all button. Pressing all button is very important. By pressing all button, you will always receive notification of my new video when I upload a new video. So pressing all button is very important. Please press all button. Friends, now we will meet in next video. Till then, take care, stay safe, stay healthy, be happy. Bye bye.